Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So what is lockdown mode in iPhones? So let's check into the settings. In the settings we have privacy and security, and in at the end of the privacy and security menu we have lockdown mode. So let's choose this lockdown mode. Actually, what is this? Turn on this extreme protection if you believe you are being targeted in a cyber attack. Apps, website and features functionality will be limited and some experiences may be completely unavailable. So if you feel that your phone has been targeted with the scammers and you have a virus in your phone, immediately turn on this lockdown mode, and then that's how you can save yourself, and at least you can try to save yourself. And you must try this. Keep it in mind that lockdown mode is also very helpful in iPhone. And thank you for watching. That's all for now, and please subscribe to the channel so we can make more